Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on the formatting options for lines in Google Drawings. My name is Tyler Osborne. So right now I have a Google Drawings file open, and we're going to start just by drawing a line. So I'm going to draw a line straight here across the board. Now it's going to be pretty small, really hard to see. When it's highlighted in blue like that, that means that I can manipulate it. I can do something with it. If I clicked off of it though, like that, do you see how I have a new line? And this one isn't highlighted anymore? It means that I can't do anything with it. I don't want this line right here, and there's a nice box around it. It's highlighted in blue. So I'm going to press the backspace or delete button on my keyboard, and it's going to go away. But how do I format this line right here? Well, what you need is this tool, the select tool. It looks like a little mouse. And then you can click on your line, and it's highlighted in blue again. If I want to change the angle or the length of the line, I just move my mouse over here to the side, and there's some blue dots on either side, and I can change the line by clicking and dragging. So let's say I want this line a little bit shorter. So I'm going to click and drag it like that. Now up here, when I have the line selected, we have a few different menu options that weren't there before. Let's take a look at these different things. First, we have line color. If I wanted this line to be a different color other than black, this is what I would select. Let's change it to a dark blue. Now, it's really hard to see right now because the line is so thin. So the option right next to it is called line weight. Line weight allows you to change how thick that line is going to be. Let's change it to 8 and see if it's thick enough. Yep, it looks pretty thick. Now I clicked off of my line, and do you see how the formatting options have disappeared? To get them back, I just need the select tool, and then I click on the line, and the formatting options are back. So we have line color, and then the weight, that's the thickness of the line. Next, we have different options for how the line is going to look. If I wanted it to have dashes or different dots, I could change what is there right now. Beside that, we have options for how the line is going to start on the left-hand side. So there's all these different graphics that we could use for arrows, for points, whatever we want. The one beside it is how the line will end on the right-hand side with the same options. Now, I don't really want anything to change on this line, so I'm going to leave it right there. Now, I do want to show you one more option that you have when drawing lines. Take a look at the line tool, and there's a little triangle box right next to it. If we click on that, we can actually select different kinds of lines. So we can select lines with arrows, lines that bend with 90-degree corners. We have curved lines where we're actually able to change the curves, and polylines like polygons, and scribbles. So if we just want to freehand like a pencil on our trackpad, we can do that as well. So these are the different line formatting options that you have inside of Google Drawings. All right, thanks for watching.